I wish there was more though.
The food is good, but the amount?
Yeah, it's not bad food. They're not starving
No,
you.
absolutely not.
It's just that really small portions.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so we started right now at deck number 3, getting off the ship. So we're just gonna take the stairs right now because we don't want to wait for the elevators. It's just like 2 floors down. And yeah, so we're heading to the, pretty much the gangway to hit the celebration key. Somebody that loves the pool is super excited to hit. Biggest pool in the Caribbean. It is overcast today. It's not super sunny. It has been actually kind of rainy. So should be fun and not super hot. So hopefully the water will be warm.
This area where you will get the towels. Thank you.
Okay, so you got towel station. Are we dropping up here?
Okay. I guess 3 towels should do it. All aboard 4:30, and we are getting off. It's currently 11:20, so we do have a few hours to just hang out there. And we are off this ship. Super windy. Shamina wants to take a picture.
Right now it's like super windy here because we are between the 2 ships, so it's like a wind tunnel right now. So he's doing a little wind fight.
So hopefully you guys can't even hear me. And the music is pretty loud, so we'll see how this goes as far as like copyright goes.
That is the magic. That is the dream. Some people's already going back to the ship just because it's rainy. Some people don't necessarily like that. I don't mind. I feel like my flip-flops are gonna take offline.
Yeah.
Crunch your toes.
Yeah.
Curl your
I keep them. No, I keep them like tight.
There's a lot of people on the beach.
Guys, come on, come in. Let's go. Come on, you be coming. Let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
Watch your head, watch the step, right? Yes, some on this one, some on the next one, all right? Watch your head, watch your head.
Watch your heads, right? Watch your heads.
You got it.
How many of us?
We are on the trolley.
Why are us facing backwards?
Because we're gonna go back, right? Okay, so we're gonna go.
Here we go. Let's go.
We're going.
It's kind of fast.
The ship is.
Celebration.
It's making me bounce.
We're already here. This thing moves fast. Yeah, it moves pretty fast. Oh, that beach looks nice. I mean, it's wavy because of this really windy. But the beach actually looks really nice.
That way. Starfish Lagoon. I guess we could come up. That's pretty.
There's some of the vendors, so if you guys want to buy, I guess locally made merchandise and souvenirs, you can just get them in this little shop. On your way, walk in.
We're gonna get food before we find us back.
And like I said, it's you know, we're like basically under the storm right now. It's raining, nothing too crazy. Definitely very windy. Like I always say, like if you guys have seen a lot of videos in our channel, we don't stop for rain. They got some pretty cool decorations. And it looks like this is the food place where you can just go ahead and redeem the tickets that you get.
We're gonna do a pizza, a Mediterranean bowl, and look, it's raining like crazy right now.
Yeah, I'm excited for the rain. I'm not gonna lie. Something about the rain that makes me want to party. It is a lot of people in here today. I guess try to shelter. Good. Try to shelter from the rain.
So it's different sections. If you want burgers, you join this one. If you want pizza, you join that one.
Okay, and it just tells you the price, and it has a little island eats, so that means you can redeem your tickets. Here, the pizza.
So let's redeem the pizza.
Hey, looks like we're getting some pizza.
You just walk up. Hi, how are you? We just redeemed a pizza here. The margarita pizza. So I just walked up.
Thank you.
You get a trade.
Oh, the trade. Oh, yeah. I was about to grab that pizza with my hands. Thank you, Zuri.
You're welcome.
All right, so we got the pizza. So, did they scan it?
Okay.
Okay. So, okay, I guess that's how it works.
Come on, guys.
I don't necessarily understand how the redeem process for the tickets work.
I don't know.
They didn't really scan anything. How's the pizza look? It's a cheese pizza, right?
It's hot. I can feel the heat.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be margarita, but I don't see no basil.
I was gonna grab it with my hands, and she said, "Go get a trade."
And then we're gonna do this one, a Mediterranean bowl. Right?
Let's have the island eats. That means you can use your coupons or vouchers or tickets here.
Would you remind me the card line is good? Thank you so much.
That's where it's looking pretty. And this will be the drinks area, and also like where you get your ketchup and your mayo and your stuff. Crispy chicken sandwich? Over here?
Hi, buddy.
Good, man. How are you doing?
good.
Oh, it's not too hot. I'll get it with my hands. Thank you, man. To redeem the tickets, I guess you go to the register now with all
So
this
you
stuff.
pick all your stuff.
Right, and then you go to the
then-
register. Okay, so pretty much you have to go, you grab whatever you're going to eat, and then after you take whatever you're going to eat, you go to the register, and then they will scan your card, and then that's how the tickets is basically going to be redeemed. So we just found this little corner right here to eat. It's kind of like covered from the rain, right next to the pool. Yeah, it's impossible to do it on the tables because it's raining so hard right now. All the food will be wet. So we're gonna grab a few bites of the food and then we'll head out to the pool. Pool is empty. We got some pizza, like a burrito bowl, and a burger
Mediterranean bowl.
with some iced tea.
Let's change it with the food though.
You say they stingy with the food?
No.
The chicken sandwich is definitely good though.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good. That's some pretty good flavor on the chicken. Pretty good.
Not bad. Woo. I wish there was more though.
The food is good, but the amount?
Yeah. It's not bad food. They're not starving
No,
you.
absolutely not.
It's just that really small portions.
Yeah. The chicken sandwich was pretty good too. They just need to also, I feel like, give you a little bit of explanation of how the system works. Other than that, it's not bad.
What I did, I got a beer before coming to the island, and I got a soda for that. If you got a cheers package, get 2 things before coming.
This is the soaking wet cookie. It's
still raining after we got back to the ship. The girls are in the pool, like right behind me right now. Saya is still having a good time today. It has been definitely cold and rainy most of the day. You can see the island from here, and you can see the storm kind of like in the same area. Still very windy, a little bit cold, a little bit chilly, and yeah, so right now we're just watching Carnival Magic. It's just leaving port. They were here this morning before us, before we actually port. Their ship was already parked, and they are just leaving port right now. I want to say it's around 3:30 to 4 o'clock, and I'm assuming that right after them we're probably going to follow and leave port also. But like I said, it was just still a really good day, just really wet, windy, but we still had a good time. A celebration key for sure. But yeah, let's just watch Carnival Magic right now, just leaving port, and I'm not quite sure if they will go and meet with us at the next port. But yeah, I know they also had a blast. There was a lot of people in the island. There's a lot of people that the rain and the wind didn't really stop from having fun, and yeah, you gotta make the best of it. And away she goes. There goes Carnival Magic. I've not been on that ship yet, so hopefully pretty soon we get the chance to do it. But yeah, we're gonna sit here, just relax a little bit more. The girls are still in the pool having fun, and yeah, I'm gonna just sit here, take a little more ocean breeze, and continue to enjoy the cruise, and see when they're gonna get hungry so we can head inside and see what we can find to eat. So we'll catch up with you guys a little bit later.